Listed here is everything you will need to make a Kool-Aid slushie. If you'd like, you can pause the video now to write the items down or take a screenshot. For this recipe, you will need a blender, Kool-Aid powder mix, measuring cups and spoons, ice cubes, and water. To start, we are going to dump 2 cups of ice into the blender, followed by 1 cup of water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of the Kool-Aid powder mix to the blender. I used 1 scoop of blue raspberry and 1 scoop of fruit punch. Put the lid on your blender and blend it until you have a consistency that you like. And finally, you're going to pour your slushie into a cup. And now you're ready to enjoy your slushie.